Good morning, peeps, and welcome back. My name is Zina, and I'm aging ethically. For the new people, what that means is that I only feature cruelty-free and vegan cosmetics on my channel. I also like to film and share my volunteer work at farm animal sanctuaries and also dog adoption events. I additionally feature food on this channel, and you'll see mukbangs, animal therapy, and cruelty-free and vegan beauty on this channel every Monday and Friday. I'm outside of Alien Donuts in downtown or Old Town Scottsdale, and you know what that means. I'm heading off to Aimee's Farm Animal Sanctuary this morning, and I like to present Aimee and the volunteers with donuts, and we burn off the calories pretty fast. It's a lot of work. It's not just hugging and kissing animals, although there's a lot of that too. But we do a lot of work around the sanctuary, and it's very gratifying. So let's get some donuts. Helps if you go in the right door. Hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Do you have vegan donuts this morning?
The bottom row.
The bottom row. Oh my. Seriously guys, can you believe that these donuts are vegan? Oh my gosh. It's like a dream come true. Oh, those are the Oreo ones. And these are Carron's favorite, the glazed donuts. And then I have some really decadent frosted donuts as well. Sprinkles and cherries, oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, this looks so good. I'm gonna have to have one now. Okay, bye.
Hey, Twinkles. Come here, handsome. He looks so good.
Yeah.
Hey, honey. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna put down straws. I just want to air it out a little bit. Yeah, it needs a, oh yeah, the thing I
Oh, thank you.
You want to do the water real quickly over there? Yeah, thank you. I think we've got enough.
I get a super sweet right here.
Let me kiss your little head. Hi, Zina. Good girl.
She's the lap turkey.
Good girl. She's my baby. Good girl.
Oh.
Ooh. Come on.
I don't want to get down.
I know. We'll have.
Oh.
I know. I think I'll eat a donut.
Same rooster, but I think he's been with us. Pardon me. I think he's been following us all day. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. You're pretty cool. Yep, you are pretty cool. This area looks really nice now. you doing? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, I love you. Hi. How was it? Hi. Oh my gosh.
It looks like they did the tents really well. They didn't need this? It's been here a little more. So they're wrapping up. I don't know. Let's see. So I used
So yeah, I don't know why. I just feel like it's really and then I just give up on diet you know, I had all these recipes and like I go on this He's big, right? He's flipping huge. He's got really big. Oh, panda, panda.
Oh.
Dude, they drank a lot of that water. Curly, we want to get in the picture.
So cute.
Hey, girl. Come over here, Nina. Come over here. Not too much. Here.
battery's gonna run out. No. Here comes the migration. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. You can do it. Oh.
Oh, you guys are hot right there. Here's a shot for the video.
Hey. I love you. You're so sweet. Panda. I love you guys so much. I don't want to leave now. Don't leave. I have to. I just love the way he's like kicked his little leg out, Winston. Just chilling. He's like, yes, this seems adequate. I'm satisfied.
Hey, pretty girl.
Alright, peeps. That was another awesome day at Aimee's. I have so much hay in my hair. Look at all that hay. It has been raining like crazy in Arizona. And it was so wet, so we, Carron and I, took all the wet hay and replaced it with dry hay, and it was a lovely afternoon. Great workout. I missed the animals already. Ah, what a good day. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I'm gonna go home, take a long shower, and think about these babies all night like I always do when I leave. It's so hard to leave. But thank you for joining me. We'll see you on the next video. Bye. Mwah. Hands are dirty. Bye.